Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. And let's get right into today's video. As you can see here, I will be doing my daughter's nails. She has some leftover gel polish that I did a few weeks ago, right after the orange set that I did on her, and that lasted about 3 weeks or 2.5 weeks, which was not bad. So those tips were pretty good that it lasted at least 2.5 weeks. Now to start off, I am just prepping her nails and taking off the gel polish at the same time. And next I will use my sanding band to remove all of the leftover gel polish. Now I will be doing the same method, the Gel X method, for her nails, but this time I'm going to be using some shorter tips. The last time she said that was a bit too long for her, so I'm going to be using these short square tips from AliExpress, and here I'm just doing the bend test. It did bend in the middle, but then once I pulled it back, it kind of went back to it. So I wasn't too sure about these tips, how they would last. But here I'm just doing what I normally do. I sped it up a bit, just because I'm just filing the edges, or around the cuticle area, to make sure that it is circular and it fits her nail bed. And now I'm just taking my nail brush with some alcohol, which is dehydrating the nail. And then I'm just going in with my Young Nails primer and priming the nails before I put on my base coat. And now I'm just applying my base coat and curing that for 60 seconds before I apply the tips. And now I take my Beetles nail gel glue and apply it into the nail, well, around the cuticle area. And then I hold the nail at a 45-degree angle, make sure that it goes flat and the gel covers the entire nail plate, and then cure that underneath my little lamp here that I have, LED lamp. And like I always say, I definitely recommend this lamp. I got it from Amazon. I'll leave that link below. If you do the Gel X method, it is definitely something I recommend, because it makes your life so much easier when applying these tips. So as you can see, I'm just going to do that for the rest of the nails, and then do a full cure in my regular LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now I go back in with my sanding band, around the cuticle area just to make sure that I remove any spillage that the gel might have caused. And this is real time, guys, so you can see I go slowly around that cuticle area and make sure that it is flush to the natural nail. And now I sped up this part just because all I'm doing is just filing the sides and the free edge, making sure that it is square, and taking off that little tab at the end that the nails come. And like I said, just making sure that the nails are as square as possible. Now I do go back in with my base coat and I make a thin layer and then cure that for 60 seconds. And I do this just for better adhesion for when I'm adding the gel polish. And for this set, she wanted shades of pink. So we're doing like pink ombres with like a French line. So for the base, I'm going in with my Kiara Sky Lunar or Later, my Young Nails Mega Jam, this AliExpress liner in 01, Madam Glam Pink Me Up, then DC 139 Pink Salt, and my Madam Glam Gel Paint. So we decided that for the pinky, or right now I'm going in with the Kiara Sky as the base, and I'm doing a thin layer of the base, and I cure that for 60 seconds and then go in with another coat. So I do 2 coats of this Kiara Sky Lunar or Later. Now for the pinky, she decided to do white, and then we're going to do from the lighter pinks to the darkest pinks, from the pinky to the thumb, so from light to dark. And now I'm just I took my gel paint white and just added a line, and then took my sponge and just spread it out so it can give it that ombre look. Then for the ring finger, we're taking pink salt 139 in DC, and I'm doing the exact same thing, just spreading it out, and well, I should say like ombreing it out with that sponge. And I got this from Shein. It's like you can use any sponge, I believe, just to tap it, where the line meets the nude, just to give it that ombre. And I like how this turns out because it looks really, really good. Doesn't have a harsh line. And I do 2 coats for each nail. So the next nail is going to be Madam Glam Pink Me Up for the middle finger. And then for the pointer finger, I'm going to use that AliExpress liner gel polish in 01. And then Young Nails will be for the thumb, that mega jam. And now, guys, I just want to say I am super, super excited, guys. I have hit 1,000 followers. Yay! I am like so grateful for you guys. I appreciate all of you guys who have been commenting and subscribing and liking my photos and telling a friend to, subscribe or view my videos. I hope you guys are enjoying them. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much. I cannot wait to do the giveaway. And I did want to ask you guys, what do you guys think I should give away? Before I get into that, I just want to let you guys know what I'm doing in this part of the video. So right now, for each color, after I've cured it and did 2 coats for the ombre, now I'm going back in with my AliExpress dual liner brush. This is 25 mm, and I am just making or creating that smile line, a thin smile line. And as you can see, I'm doing this in real time so you guys can see how slow I take my time to create this smile line. And then I basically just do that for all of the nails. I saw this like design on Instagram. It's like trending right now. So she saw it and she liked it and decided she wanted the same thing. So that's what we're doing here. And I just do that for, all of the nails. So like I was saying, guys, please let me know what you think I should give away for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. A polygel kit, a Build-A-Gel kit, some gel polish, or a $50 gift card. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, and as you can see here, like this line was a little bit thicker. So what I did was just go back in with my brush and just wiped it made like around it to make it as thin as I wanted it to be. So yeah, guys, I'm super, super excited. I just wanted to let you know I am like completely excited and so grateful for you guys. So now she did decided that she wanted some pink rhinestones. So we're going in with some rhinestones on the ring finger by the cuticle area, and we're just putting 3 on each finger. And these are from Shein. And yeah, I'm just taking my rhinestone glue and then I place my rhinestones and we cure that for 60 seconds. And then add some top coat and some cuticle oil. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. Like I said, I'm so grateful for my 1000K. And let me know what you guys think I should give away. These definitely came out so cute for her. And I will see you guys next time.